Yeah, you don't really need to feel it. I pull up and I kill it. Rolling up and I kill it. Pushing the limits, you know we gon' kill this shit. Wearing all black and you know we ain't diligent. Calling these rappers like we are so rich and I'm playing no games and you know we ain't doing it.
Alright, yo, here's your best time to get a photo. This celebrity again. Damn, I forgot my GoPro. Fuck! Fucking slut! I knew I forgot something.
Yeah.
Hey, don't be cutting.
What? What? Oh, thanks, man.
What quick release is that?
It's like $300 just for the quick release. It's like FIA approved because they have an eBay one for $20, but they say it cracks off.
No, I would never get it. No.
Yeah.
Especially on steering.
Heading to New York now. A friend told a friend told a friend, and now this is like a big meet thing. Well, I mean, it's just 3 of us for now, but we'll be in New York in an hour, so.
Fashionably late.
Fucking tired. Oh, dude, this place, dude, I jumped out of my seat in summer. Those jumped on those puddles. I don't know. This place is like really hard to find a bathroom that's free.
Yeah, I know.
That makes sense. Sick. It's so floppy. I hate it. It doesn't fly off though, so it's okay.
It works.
Yeah, literally. It keeps the heat in. But today's like the warmest day, so stupid. Okay. What's his face? How'd you get over there? This is so heavy. Jesus Christ. This is like 15 pounds. Don't say that here. You're gonna get fucking mugged around the corner.
Chill, bro. Now. Where are we going?
42nd, 7th Ave. The avenues are this way and the streets are that way.
I'm just gonna follow you. Okay.
I was supposed to park right here.
Mr. Humpy Boy.
Hey.
Hi, baby.
What's up, man?
How you doing? Hey, hold on.
I fucking hate this place.
Should have been a savage. How do you get to this level? I didn't get to this level. You didn't unlock it yet? Still trying. Andrew!
What? Oh, I forgot your name's Andrew. People always call me fucking Andrew.
Yo, I thought they were calling me for another reason. I was like, oh no, this is bad.
Fuck it.
You can't tell all of us. Exactly.
Or can they? Probably. Fucking H2O.
H2O all over again.
Yo, bro, I went in there to use their bathroom. Out of order. Motivation, ready?
You can't use a bathroom for free in this city.
I know.
You really
I
can't.
was about to pay. I was like,
Yeah,
yo.
you have to pay or it's a really, really long line. Yeah.
What? Oh, I don't want you to get hit. Yo, here's your best time to get a phone.
Yo, back up a little bit and then tell him to back up so I can back up.
Why, you can't fit? No, you're fine. I mean, this is all a bike lane anyway. It's all illegal to be here. It's like a... Rip. cops are already there. They're right there to the left of them. Hi.
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, alright. I think this works. What? What happened? Oh, the rock? I see in everything nowadays.
Ah, shit. Turned to Planet Fitness.
You like my amazing fitment? It's so sad to go from stance fitment to like this. It hurts me. I'm genuinely just waiting.
I'll just snap a few pictures. Right? But that took too long. I'd already changed. Let's go.
That light is not changed. It's yellow. Your death. We're just in the bike lane? No, this is straight lane. I can't do that because if I rev, nothing happens. It's just me revving.
Hey guys, sorry I forgot to record an outro, but seriously an amazing time last night. We got home at like 1:30 a.m. and we were up this morning around 7:30 to go to Maryland for a little bit of a Christmas stuff. But yeah, awesome time. Thank you so much to every single person that came out. If you are in the tri-state area and you came out, and if you didn't, it's alright. Maybe I'll be back here again in like a year. But basically now the next video you can expect is Wednesday night. Hopefully I'll be able to upload because all the hotels and Airbnbs have Wi-Fi. I don't know how good it is, but they do have Wi-Fi. So I'm going to try to be uploading every single night for this stuff. But yeah, the road trip begins on Wednesday in a few days. Just going to worry about packing and stuff and doing little things to this car. I just have to finish the windows a little bit more. For the most part, it was actually really warm last night. It was like almost 60 degrees and we had the air conditioner on in the car and it works fine. It was wonderful. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys for the big road trip in a few days.